Hi, this is Dr. Louise Aki with another tip for you this week. This one is also on skincare. I've had several of my readers write in and say that Bag Balm worked really well for dry, chapped hands. After all, it's designed and marketed for chapped udders of cows, and it works very well for chapped hands as well. It does have a distinct odor, which smells a lot like wet wool sweaters. That's because it has lanolin in it, which is sheep fat. That lanolin gives it that distinctive smell and the stickiness that Bag Balm has. If that's something that you really don't care for, I don't blame you. I don't like the smell of Bag Balm either. There are other options available for chapped skin, and one of them is Eucerin cream, which is white, creamy, and does not have much of an odor or perfume. It has a cousin called Aquaphor, which you can buy next to it on the grocery or pharmacy shelf, which is even heavier because it has the water taken out. Either Aquaphor or Eucerin or their various generics are available, and they can be useful to treat chapped, dry skin. There's another agent that you might not think about, which is really quite effective as well, and it's very inexpensive and particularly helpful if you have any allergies to perfumes or things that really show up often in creams and ointments. They called it ointment C in the hospital that one of my instructors worked at, and he dispensed and prescribed a lot of it. It was very, very popular for eczema and dry, chapped skin, and everything was just fine until one day they ran out. Their shipment of ointment C did not arrive, and they were forced to reveal the truth. That ointment C was actually Crisco, which is vegetable oil that's been hydrogenated so that it has a stable shelf life. That's all it was, is ointment C, Crisco. Well, many of the families wanted their ointment C, and they did not want to go down and buy Crisco. But Crisco has been very effective in skin care for chapped skin and is very safe even in babies. I recommend, however, that you avoid the butter flavor. Not as good as the plain Crisco. Also, I've noticed that when I put Crisco on my dogs, they want to lick it up. And so I would recommend instead using Bag Balm over Crisco for dry or chapped or irritated skin in dogs. There you have it for this week's tip. I'm Dr. Louise Aki at AskDrLouise.com.